Welcome to Week in IT, a production of Converge 360, where we recap the biggest enterprise tech and developer news of the past week, as written by our real live editors and narrated by AI. I'm your host, Gladys Rama. We tend to spill a lot of digital ink over Microsoft's annual Work Trends report, and for good reason. It's one of the most authoritative snapshots of how Microsoft, and by extension, the corporate world, is thinking about the future of enterprise technology. The 2025 edition of the report, released this week, predicts a future where every worker will become an agent boss, regardless of their role. As we reported on Virtualization and Cloud Review, Microsoft sees businesses as actively reshaping themselves around AI and digital labor. Employees won't just be using AI, they'll be managing autonomous AI agents that handle entire workflows too. Microsoft says you should expect to see these so-called frontier firms start to crop up within the next 2 to 5 years. More about Microsoft's AI agent roadmap, this time courtesy of RedmondMag.com. Announced this week are new and updated AI agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. These include Researcher, designed for complex projects, Analyst, which acts as a digital data scientist, and Skills, an agent for talent discovery and workforce planning. Microsoft is also introducing an agent store within Copilot Chat next month. This will allow users to build and deploy various agents. Additionally, 3 new agents will be embedded across Microsoft 365: Interpreter for real-time translation, Facilitator for meeting moderation, and Project Manager for automating project management tasks. In cybersecurity news, Microsoft has released a progress report on its Secure Future initiative, which it likes to describe as the largest engineering project in its history, the equivalent of 34,000 engineers working full-time over 11 months to enhance security across Microsoft's products. Microsoft touted a few milestones in its progress report, like stronger identity protections and over 200 new threat detections focused on adversary tactics. Microsoft has also introduced 11 new security features across Microsoft 365, Azure, Windows, and Microsoft Security. You can read all about it on Redmond Mag. Next, on Redmond Channel Partner, we covered a potentially tectonic shift in how MSPs see the cloud's big three. According to a new survey by Futurum, for the first time, Microsoft Azure has outpaced Amazon Web Services in a key metric of MSP preferences. 69% of respondents view Microsoft as a key partner, compared to 66% for AWS. In third place is Google Cloud at 54%. Something that the vast majority of MSPs can agree on: hyperscaler marketplaces are critical for growing sales and procurement. And finally, vibe coding continues to be a thing. To review, this is the practice of using AI to generate code according to typed or verbal instructions. Microsoft is fully on board, if recent Visual Studio 2022 previews are anything to go by. Copilot Next Edit Suggestions, which first appeared in VS Code in February, has now made its way into Visual Studio 2022 17.14 Preview 3. This feature predicts the next edit a developer might make based on previous edits, whether it's an insertion, deletion, or both. Preview 3 also introduces Adaptive Paste, an AI-powered feature that adjusts pasted code to match the surrounding code context. The idea is to help developers stay in their creative flow longer with fewer interruptions. Whether or not vibe coding is your thing, constant learning is a must-have in any developer's toolbox. If you're looking for a way to sharpen your skills with help from real pros, join us at VSLive 2025, taking place in August at Microsoft's Redmond headquarters. You'll get hands-on sessions, expert insights, a vibrant community of like-minded peers, and some serious code talk. If you're curious, you can find a link to the conference in the description box below, along with links to all of the articles discussed today. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Week in IT. See you next Friday.